What's going on, my dudes? This is Math Time with Mr. G, and today we're going to talk about one-step equations. It should be a review, but we're just going to double check. So what we do every time we see an equation, we're going to draw a line down the equal sign. Then to get x by itself, we're going to do whatever is happening to it, do the opposite. So since it says plus, we're going to write minus. And what we do on one side of this line, we have to write on the other side of this line. 3 minus 3 cancels, and that goes away. The only thing left on this side is x equals, and then 7 minus 3 is 4. So I know that some of you are like, well, Mr. Gardner, I can just see that it's 4 because 3 plus 4 is 7. We are practicing this skill, so then when we get into harder problems, we already have this habit. So again, I'm going to draw a line down the equal sign. What's happening to the variable is negative. So what I have to do is do plus 9. What I do to one side of the line, I have to do to the other. This cancels. I'm left with y on the other side. And then 10 plus 9 is 19. When a number and a variable are touching, this means multiplication. So the opposite would be to divide by 5. What I do to one side of that line, I have to do to the other. That cancels. I'm left with just x. And then 30 divided by 5 is 6. So again, line down the equal sign. It says divide by 10. So the opposite would be to be multiplied by 10. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. That cancels. X is equal to 70 times 10, or 700. Kind of a new concept that we're going to go over as well is how to create two-step word problems. So it says Grace has a bill of $9. So bill means she's spending $9 to start the day. She charges $12 per person. So 12 per person, because we don't know how many people are showing up for the movie. So it's $12 per person minus how much she started with the day. She wants, so that's equals $78 at the end of the day. All right, that's everything. So other than that, be kind to one another, ask lots of questions, and think deeply.